Install macOS Sequoia Developer Beta 2 and explore new features. Sign up for macOS Sequoia Developer Beta updates. Open any web browser and go to developer.apple.com. Click on the Account button located in the menu bar. Enter the Apple ID you want to use for beta updates. An Apple Developer Beta Program Agreement will appear. Check the box to agree and click Submit. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Install macOS Sequoia Developer Beta 2 on Mac. Click the Apple logo and select System Settings. Go to General and select Software Update. Click the I button next to the Beta Updates section. Click the drop-down menu next to Beta Updates and choose macOS Sequoia Developer Beta from the list. Click Done to let your Mac check for the latest beta update. Click Upgrade Now to download macOS Sequoia Beta 2. Follow the instructions to install it. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The disk cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The Uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.